Welcome to the future of construction project management. Track your project from start to finish. A Head Air's Eye in the Sky helps you monitor progress, calculate stockpile volume and estimate cut and fill, work with 3D models, and much more. Our pilots are FAA licensed, safety team certified, and fully insured. Keep your project on time, on track, and on budget. Visit aheadair.com or call us toll-free at 84-GET-AHEAD. Call today and get ahead.